The rise of machines. Who gets left behind? Ravi adjusted his tie and stared at the job rejection email on his cracked phone screen. We appreciate your application, but the position has been filled. He had lost count of how many times he had read those words. Across the street, the factory where he had worked for 15 years hummed with life, but not with people. Rows of robotic arms moved in perfect synchronization, assembling products faster, cheaper, and without complaint. A year ago, he had stood there, shoulder to shoulder with his colleagues. Now, they were all obsolete. At home, his daughter Anaya looked up from her tablet. "Papa, why don't you learn AI programming? My school says that's the future." He forced a smile. "Maybe I should, Beta." But deep inside, he wondered, how could a 45-year-old factory worker compete with machines and algorithms? The next day, he walked past a sleek AI job center. Inside, people half his age trained on coding screens, their fingers flying across keyboards. He hesitated at the entrance, then turned away. By nightfall, Ravi sat on a dimly lit street, watching driverless taxis glide by. A world once built by human hands was now run by machines, and he, like many others, was left behind. Moral: progress is inevitable, but without compassion and adaptation, many will struggle to find their place in the future.